phylum Porifera and phylum Cnidaria. So here's a list of all the phylums in kingdom Animalia, starting from the most simplest and basic phylum, which is Porifera, to the most complex phylum Chordata. Simplest refers to it has only cells, no tissues, and to the most complex, it has organ systems and so on. Phylum Porifera has sponges and are animals that lack tissue and organs, and also a symmetry. They don't have a proper shape. Sponges are multicellular, all right, and they actually consist of several cells that have various functions, all right, and their body is porous, just like sponge. Porous maknanya ada lubang dalam dia. So most have no symmetry, but some are radially symmetry. So no organ, tissue, excretion, and also respiration is only by diffusion. Alright, and some of the sponges, they have sharp spicules ataupun tanduk-tanduk kecil that are made from calcium carbonate or silica. So phylum Porifera is the only phylum that lack nervous system. So mostly they are marine, but all are aquatic. Alright, so they digest by intracellular digestion and they feed by flagellated choanocytes, which are also known as collar cells. So choanocytes, okay, they lines the spongiosol, body cavity, internal water chamber structure dia, which we'll look into the diagram or figure after this. They create a flow yang lalu masuk dalam chamber dan dia tapis, basically trap food with the collars. So an example is Leucosolenia. Okay, so have a look here at basically the collar cells or choanocytes that is lined inside the spongiosol. Okay, so the next phylum is phylum Cnidaria, silent C, Cnidaria. Old name dia Colinterata. So animal ini ada true tissues. So they are diploblastic. So recall back the previous. Diploblastic means only two layer. Okay. So radially symmetrical. So entirely aquatic. Some ada duduk kat fresh water, some ada di laut basically. So two type of body plan dia ada. So some are sessile polyp. Alright. And the other one is a floating medusa. Alright. So dia ada gastrovascular cavity. Alright. So mouth dengan anus dia sekali. A single opening. Right. Functions as both mouth and also anus. Okay, so have a look at the figure here. Tengok macam hydra, given here in A. Okay, it's a polyp, while jellyfish, sea wasps, is a floating medusa, and sea anemone, macam cerita Nemo tu. So, we'll look at basically kenapa dia panggil Cnidaria. Dia basically, most of them ni ada stinging cells. Dia venomous. Okay, so have a look at the shape of a polyp and the shape of a medusa, and also pay attention to the mouth and anus opening there. Alright, and key kat sini juga is sebab dia diploblastic, dia ada mesoglia or mesoglia. So have a look here at its reproduction. It can go through either asexual or sexual reproduction. If it goes to asexual, dia buat budding, dia tumbuh tunas. Alright, sexual reproduction involves egg and sperm lah. Maknanya dia ada alat kelamin, which is a gonad. Alright, if you saw the diagram just now, most of them ada macam tentacles, right? Okay, so tentacles ni contain cnidocytes ataupun stinging cells. So dia ada venom. So name phylum ni ambil daripada structure tu lah, Cnidaria, cnidocyte. So cnidocyte ni dia contain nematocyst, ada cyst kat dalam dia, bulb yang ada contain venom. So they can use it for defense ataupun untuk capture prey. Alright. So cnidarians have basically circulatory, excretory or respiratory system. Alright. So classic example dia biasanya Hydra dengan Aurelia.